Hi, I want to share a few best practices as there are many new tech teams trying Coverguard for the first time. I think you'll find these tips extremely helpful. If you have been installing a competitive channel, our fittings are significantly different in that they're not structural, they are simply cosmetic. So there's no need to push them all the way down hard in order to secure the fitting. In fact, our uniquely designed cam screws can catch anywhere along the channel. And if you push them down too hard, they actually won't turn because of a design feature in the base of the channel. So remember, it's easier than you think. Just a light snug and it will keep the system fully intact. Wall obstacles of less than 1.25 inches, similar to either a stucco band, maybe a soffit trim, or first to second story bump out or a pipe, they can easily be overcome by cutting the base and leaving the cover long. But we always recommend you utilize a end fitting like this shown here. The reason for that is all of our fittings come with an interior stop that is designed to hold the channel in place and to keep it from sliding. That's especially important with these wall obstacle installations because of the extra empty space that's left inside the channel. You'll want to ensure that the cover is latched on the same tab all the way up and down the channel. Otherwise, it's not fully connected. You'll hear a click when the cover is actually secure. Occasionally, you may want to install fittings back to back without any duct in between, similar to like a T with a reducer. And it's important to note that the fitting bases are ever so slightly shorter than the covers. So when affixing the fitting base to the wall, you'll want to leave a 1/16 of an inch between the two fitting bases in this application so that when the covers are put on, they touch. Coverguard can easily be cut by using a chop saw, hacksaw, or sawzall, but you must use a fine tooth blade. I prefer using battery operated skill saw. Our wall inlet, wall flange, and flex elbow can all be used to protect existing lines. All you have to do is split the base where on the back side where it's not visible and then slide it over those lines. To keep your duct clean, you can peel off the film on the ends just 1 inch or 2 before snapping that cover on. Put your couplings covers on, and then right before you're done, peel off that film, take your picture for social media, show your skills, and then be on your way. When removing the cover, you have to push down and lift off of one side only, and that will easily remove the cover. Our zip tie clips, there's one clip size and it's interchangeable with both of our channels, either the single zone 3-inch or the multi-zone 4.5. And Coverguard is paintable. You can find those painting instructions on our website under resources, as well as a number of other helpful answers to frequently asked questions. Again, we appreciate being part of your high quality installations. And if there's anything I can do to assist, please feel free to reach out.